Hi there, and welcome to this GIMP's Essentials course. My name is Jonathan. I work as a graphic designer and animator. I'm also the founder of Nuxttux Creative Studios over on YouTube. Now, this is a beginner-friendly class that covers everything you need to know in order to get started with GIMP. We won't be going over all the tools and features, not today. Instead, this class is designed to make you feel confident using GIMP and to empower you with tools and techniques that you can use in your own projects. Photo manipulation is not tool specific. Once you understand the principles, you can apply them using just about any app. Throughout this class, you'll learn how to manipulate colors, create and transform text, how to make selections, create clipping masks. We'll even learn how to work with a graphic tablet inside of GIMP. We'll make animations and export them as GIF, and so much more. This course will help you go from an absolute beginner to an intermediate level, as each lesson does a deep dive into a specific topic. Again, my name is Jonathan. Welcome to this GIMP Essentials course. Let's get started.